Hey, what's up guys? Alien Rides here, and today we're going to check out the Speedboard, this crazy new two-wheeled electric mobility device. Subscribe and let's ride. Alright, so we're checking out the Speedboard, an innovative and new design that's currently being crowdfunded on Kickstarter. This is a new type of personal electric vehicle, a two-wheeled electric board with no handlebar. Turning is controlled by your body motion, and it's a ton of fun to ride. Let's dive into the specs first. The Speedboard is not a slow board and can cruise at speeds of up to 30 miles per hour, or 48 kilometers per hour. There's faster race prototypes being developed and tested, but 30 miles an hour is generally plenty fast for most use cases. The single, rear, chain-driven motor runs at 4,000 watts. This rear chain has a tensile strength of 1,300 pounds or 600 kilograms. A 9-tooth hardened steel motor shaft mounted pinion drives a 70-tooth steel rear wheel sprocket. It's got a range of 16 to 24 miles. The batteries are arranged in 4 packs of 99 watt-hours each. The packs are divided into separate 18650 packs arranged in a 13S1P configuration. Each pack has 99 watt-hours of capacity. This was designed to be just under the 100 watt-hour FAA/TSA limit. While traveling, simply remove the 4 packs, check your board, and carry the packs onto the plane with you. No airline approval is needed. There is also a battery upgrade option available, which leverages higher capacity cells for 23 to 34 miles of range. This upgraded battery will sport 560 watt-hours, and you can still travel with up to 2 of the packs with airline approval. The Speedboard is 50 inches long and weighs 26 pounds or 12 kilograms. It's small enough to commute to work on and stow under your desk, and powerful and fun enough for weekend pleasure rides. Now let's get into the feeling of the ride. Dave invented this board after several years of snowboarding, surfing, and riding a motorcycle. The Speedboard is definitely a new feeling of riding, and you can carve up the roads or any terrain at all with the large tires that just soak up bumps. The innovative, speed-sensitive turning mechanism is maneuverable at low speeds and stable at high speeds. The further you lean to one side, the further the front wheel turns. Your leaning body replaces what would be the handlebars on other two-wheeled vehicles. You can perform a full turn of this vehicle in about 8 feet, about the same as a skateboard. Now, learning to ride this vehicle is extremely easy. Check out some of this footage from riders riding the Speedboard for the very first time.
Sweet. There you go. Yeah.
He's good.
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah.
Personally, I'm still not great at riding electric skateboards, but with a few seconds of practice, I was able to get started, cruising at a moderate speed during our demo ride. I'm super excited for the Speedboard since it solves the speed wobble problem, can go over any terrain, and you can have a blast carving on it. There have been some questions about how stable this two-wheeled board really is, and I can tell you it's extremely stable. The tires are very large and are essentially scooter-sized pneumatics, and there's zero wobble on this board. If you look at other two-wheeled form factors, like motorcycles, bicycles, and scooters, these vehicles are able to obtain very high speeds with no wobble, just like the Speedboard. They've tested the Speedboard at speeds of up to 37 miles per hour so far, and they've never gotten wobbles. These large tires should also fare well in the rain, and while the current prototype is not waterproof, it should be easy to waterproof and ride this board in the rain. This is something that not a lot of personal electric vehicles are capable of. Being safe while riding is super important. You want to feel confident and enjoy the ride rather than worry about falling. Falling at the top speed of 30 miles per hour sucks, and without gear, you're basically a meat marker. I'd highly recommend full safety gear when riding the Speedboard. This includes a full face helmet, shoulder, arm, knee pads, gloves, and more. Gear up and ride safe. That's all we got for now on the Speedboard. Definitely check out their Kickstarter campaign. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you all next time.